There come situations in real life when we need to make some decisions, and based on these decisions, we decide what we should do next. Similar situations arise in programming also, where we need to make some decisions, and based on these decisions, we will execute the next block of code. Decision-making statements in programming languages decide the direction of flow of program execution. C decision-making statements are if statement, if-else statements, nested if statements, if-else-if ladder, switch statement. If statement is the simplest decision-making statement. It is used to decide whether a certain statement or block of statements will be executed or not. That is, if a certain condition is true, then a block of statement is executed, otherwise not. Its syntax is as follows. Here, condition after evaluation will be either true or false. If statement accepts Boolean values. If the value is true, then it will execute the block of statements below it, otherwise not. In C, true is any non-zero value, including negative numbers. A false value is 0. If we do not provide the curly braces after if, then by default, if statement will consider the first immediately below statement to be inside its block. In other words, we can say that the default scope of the if statement is the immediately next statement after it. If statement can contain more than one statement. In this case, all statements that belong to if must be enclosed within a pair of curly braces. For example, let's write a simple program which demonstrates the use of if and relational operators. Create a new empty file, save it as s3_01.c. Include the header file. Hash include open close angular brackets stdio.h. Write the main function int main open close parenthesis, inside that void open close curly brace return 0 semicolon. Declare an integer variable num int num. Prompt the user to enter a number less than 10. Printf semicolon within double quotes write enter a number less than 10. Store the entered value in num. Scanf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write %d, ampersand num. Check if num is less than 10. If num is less than 10, if true, print a message. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write you are in. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Press F9 to run the program. Let's enter -2. Enter. Here the text expression num less than 10 is evaluated to true. Hence you get the output you are in on the screen. Run the program again. This time we will enter 10 or more. This time the test expression is evaluated to false and the statement inside the body of if is skipped. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lecture.